Hola clase, I hope that you guys are all doing well. I wanted to make this video to go over a few things that we have for the remainder of the semester. We don't have that much time left. Um, so I have been going over your guys' compositions, the rough drafts that you guys turned in, and I'll be sending those back to you today. Uh, so you submitted the rough drafts last week. Today, I will submit to you via email your feedback, and that's going to be in a Word document. You do have to open the Word document, download it to be able to see all the comments I've made. Then the final draft will be due via assignments, and that's going to be turned in this Sunday, the 22nd, before midnight. So you'll turn it in here through assignments. Okay, composition 2 final draft, April 22nd, 2018. So that's where you should be turning in the final drafts by this weekend. Please let me know if you have any questions about the comments I'm going to make. As always, you'll do your VHL activities, which I believe we only have 2 weeks left. And then in the next couple weeks, I'll be sending out an email to discuss the final oral exams with you guys, which will be May 4th through the 10th. So coming up in about 2.5 weeks, we'll have the final oral exams. Okay, I have opened module 5 for you guys so that you guys can look at that as well. I have graded all of the presentations and the peer feedback, and I believe I have everything updated through VHL. The only thing that I need to submit are still the grades for the the compositions, and I'll also be going over the peer, the dialogue partners. So you should have all of your grades updated sometime this week. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know so that I can go over them with you. Okay, here is the assignment calendar for VHL. So we just finished lesson 4. We're moving on to lesson 5, and that'll be the remainder of the activities that we have. So we do have activities for this coming week, the 22nd and the 29th. And I believe that that is all. I don't believe, yes, we don't have anything left for May, just for April. Okay, so that's all that we have remaining are these VHL activities. If you guys do have any questions about your VHL grades, let me know so that I can meet with you guys to discuss those as well. That's about it. We don't really have that many announcements for this week because we are coming up at the end of the semester. Like I said, when you get your email for the composition, it's going to have a Word document, and it will have comments from me as well as possibly some track changes. So to view the comments, you need to download the Word document to a computer or a laptop, something like that, so that you guys can look at the comments that I've made and include those in your final draft. Okay. Some notes on the final draft: make sure you complete it using Word, double-spaced 12-point font, highlight all the changes you made based on the feedback from your instructor. 10 points will be deducted if you do not do this. The final draft is 50% of your composition grade. Some of you guys didn't do this last time, so make sure that you guys are following directions. Also, to make it look like a final draft, you should include your name, the class, the date, the instructor last name. If you have any questions about how to format a paper, let me know. A composition. This is the final draft is a formal draft. It's no longer a rough draft, so it's no longer just the text. You should include everything that is important there. Okay, so if you guys do have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions about your grades, let me know. We are getting to the last weeks of class. So please email me if you guys need to discuss anything. Thank you.